We recently made some pretty big updates to our job products section. So when you're on a job products page, you have a list of products here, and if you go to edit, many times you guys have reached out and wanted to know if we could tell you who changed something with this setup, right? Because this is the rule that defines all of your statements, your delivery rates, and landowner stumpage and payments, and you want to get it right. And sometimes uh, it doesn't go right, and you want to find out where the mistake happened. And now we can give you a very detailed audit trail of this page. So let me show you. We'll update just a simple attribute here on the mileage. We're going to click save. And then we're just going to go back and refresh this page. And so now you can see that we have a history section. And this is going to tell us when this thing changed. What changed? Was it the product? We have the name, and then we have the actual changes. And here's where we change the mileage from 1 to 5. And where it gets really interesting is where we come in and change the rates. So if somebody comes in and changes this to a 52, we can click save. And again, we'll go back and we can see now that someone, Jess, changed the amount from on this distribution for landowner stumpage from 50 to 52. So it's really nice, and you can click on this too, and it'll highlight the distribution here that got changed. If we add a new distribution, let's add something from the mill. So timber sales, mill, and this is going to, let's say, graphic packaging, and we'll make it for $85. We'll update. And now we'll see that we created this distribution, timber sales for graphic packaging. It was created by Jess, and then it's going to give us all the starting attributes that it was created with. If we go back and let's say we change the mill, we don't want this global rate, we'll save it. We can see now that we changed the mill from graphic packaging to LJR. Let's add a new vendor. So let's say we have 2 trucking companies. Let's go with new trucking 1. We'll save. And now we can see that we went from black trucking to black trucking and new trucking 1. So this is going to be really helpful to everyone in tracking the changes to these products and these rates. One more. Let's get rid of a rate. So we'll remove this, save it, and you can even see when rates were removed from this product and who removed them. Now, many of you do use global rates, and let's say that we did want to use this global rate for this product. Let's go ahead and save that. So we can see that we updated the global rate from nothing to testing. And of course, that also updated, it's kind of a strange expense, but this is a test account, so it probably would be some sort of sales account, but we changed it here and update it. But let's say, what if you change your global rate? We would want to know about that as well, right? If we came in here and we adjusted that default rate from 15 to 18. Now, if we go back and look, we can see also you have a similar history. You'll see that that default amount changed from the 15 to 18. So this is really helpful in tracking changes to not only your job products, but also your global rates.